Hey everyone, welcome to All Windows. In today's tutorial I'm going to talk about an error that comes in Windows Update. When you check for an update, it shows that there are some problems installing updates. We'll try again later or something like that, and the error number is 0x80070424. And this error also comes in Microsoft Store when you try to download any application from Microsoft Store. Okay, so let's get started. Basically this error comes when your Windows Update registry got corrupted or it got removed by some third-party software. So I'm gonna show you how to download the registry file and how to install it back in your system. Okay, so let's get started. The link for the registry file is given in the description, so you can download that from from Mega Store, and I'm gonna show you from the file link. Here is the link, and this one. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna open up for you in the browser. Okay, so here's the file. Download the registry file. First thing first, that you have to turn off your virus protection before downloading this file, because if you download anything from Megastore, your Windows is gonna treat it like a threat or a virus or malware something. Okay, you just have to turn off your antivirus, then download the file, install the file, and then again turn on your virus protection. Download the file and install it. In my case it's right here. Double click on it, run it, click yes, and you want to continue, click yes, and it's gonna be installed in your system. I'm gonna show you. Go to services, and here you can see the install registry, Windows Update registry. Just restart it. The first thing I want to tell you, because if you install the service, it's not gonna show up here in your service list. Okay, you have to restart your PC, and then it's gonna show up here, Windows Update. After installing this, you can update for your recent updates, check for Windows Update, and anything you want to download from Microsoft Store. It will be running like before. Okay, it's not gonna harm anything. This is just a Windows Update registry file. I have faced this issue for two or 3 days, and I've solved it by using this method. So I thought I should share it with all of you. If you find this video helpful, then hit the like button and share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.